Remove a wheel bearing, front wheel bearing on the passenger side on a Chevy 05 Chevy Silverado. I'll be the same on Yukons, Denali's, Sierras, Tahoe, Suburbans. They'll be the same one. This is for the passenger side. First remove your wheel, then you get a 18 socket. Remove the caliper bracket. It's gonna be this one right here, and that one, and there's gonna be the bottom one. So remove those two. So you can remove the brake caliper and bracket together. Bracket and caliper remove together. Put in something so you won't break your brake line. It's just this one. That one to remove it. Okay. Now just pull your rotor out. Look at this one, how bad is it? Okay. So to remove the hub, it's gonna be 3 bolts. It's gonna be this one, that one, and the one back there. So remove those 3. It's a 15, either socket or ratchet, whatever you're gonna use. I'm using this one. 15. So remove those 3. So remove the 3 bolts. Disconnect the sensor from up there. I'm gonna be using Moog part number 515054. And then just pull the whole thing out. Yeah, I cleaned the inside pretty good. Don't forget to change the dust plate on the other one to the new one. And just put it back. And I usually put a little bit of Loctite on the bolts. And put all 3 bolts back. Yeah, I already put the bracket back with the caliper. And that's it. Put your wheel on, connect your sensor. That's all.